Welcome back, guys, to our channel. So today we are taking you guys to one of these popular streets you have in Asaba, or should I say within Asaba, Delta State. So the street is a residential area street, and is a very bubbling street though, and the place was recently also reconstructed, and it has been asphalted, and it also comes with a very big drainage system on the both sides of the road, though it's not a covered drainage system. So I started this filming from Summit, from the Summit roundabout. Those who know Summit know where I'm talking about. If you are coming from Coca, after Coca, you get to Summit. So we started the filming from Summit roundabout, then heading down towards the Maria Babangida axis. Then from there, we see the Bushmeat junction. Then from Bushmeat, we take it down to the Asaba airport. From Asaba airport, then we head down to the place where I'm trying to go and show you guys today. So guys, this is it. We are currently at the junction that will take us to the street, and here is called Marble Hill. A lot of us who resides in Asaba or who use this Asaba to Bini Express road often might have heard about this particular place. Marble Hill is a popular junction, and today we are going inside the street to go and see what the street is currently looking like. Where we are coming from now is the Asaba Bini Expressway. So we are coming from the, from Asaba Kuka axis, then down to this place. So this is the street we are currently touring today. So when I visited this street, I noticed that it's a very lovely and lively street. Before now, the street was very not motorable at all, before now. But I visited this last time. I noticed that they have reconstructed the road and even put drainage system on the both sides of the road, though it doesn't come with walkways. The drainage system is a open drainage system. Over here, I think over here is covered, something is covered somehow, but immediately we start going down a little bit, you start seeing it is a open drainage system. It's not covered and it did not come with any walkways around there. So the last time I visited here around last year, I'll be honest, the cost of apartments over here is very expensive. I'm not gonna be giving you guys any full gist concerning the streets. All I can say is that the street is expensive. That is all I know, and somehow okay and lively to also stay. From that that place we started, the street will also take you back to Okpanam Road, the Asaba Okpanam Road axis. So that is where the street will take you, which you're gonna be seeing everything in this video if you relax and watch through out the video without mixing any segment. So watch through the video. You can check them out. If you are coming from Okpanam Road, just tell them to stop you by Marble Hill. Cross the road and take your left hand side, and then you start heading here, or take the express, if you're after the summit, after Asaba airport, then take your right hand side. You start heading in here. The Marble Hill that is being called is a name of school. The school has actually dominated the area, that's why it is being known for Marble Hill or something. So you can see the looks of the street and how everything is looking like, and at some point you notice that the area also come with street lights and a couple of hotels. There are a couple of hotels around this road, so it's a lively street. So let me just clear a little about the cost of living, though I don't have the accurate amount for now. But the last time I visited this location, though not on this particular road, but in in other inner streets within this area too. So we get to know that some two-room apartments around here is costing close to 2M, 2.5, 1.5 or so around this place. Then talking about the electricity, I'm not quite sure about the electricity stuffs over here, but the day I visited, I saw that they have power, but I don't know how stable it is, if they do have power frequently. But I know even if it's not 33, it might be 11, and the 11 will be stronger than many other places in Asaba though. So even if it's not 33, it's only 33 that do have steady power supply in Asaba, while others would use maybe special 11 also come close to 33, and others which are not using the special 11 or 33 or using normal 11 lights, and the 11 lights sometimes do fluctuate, like their electricity is not very stable, is not steady. So that is just it. So if I later find out that they are using just normal 11, then maybe I'll still be giving you guys the update. But if they are using special 11, then I'll tell you that definitely we'll be having steady lights over here. So that is just it. So just take a look at the on the on the looks of the street, and tell us what you think about the area. I'm just giving you what I currently know about the area. I don't know much about the location, but I know I've been there. I've helped somebody with some agent to secure an apartment around the area. So that's how I get to know about the place. Like I said earlier, from that express, Asaba Express, it will take you back to Okpanam Road, and from Okpanam Road it can take you to other places. So just watch through the video, tell us what you feel about the place, and then tell us if it's worth it, talking about the cost of the living and the rest. Generally, I won't lie to you, Asaba generally is very, very expensive, and it keeps increasing every day. But I'm noticing something recently. It's as if they are having a kind of their apartment is free apartment, or should I say vacant apartment. Vacant apartment is coming up recently, as if people are living like it's something like some people are relocating out of Asaba, because before now you hardly see apartments, vacant apartments in Asaba like that. But right now a lot of vacancies are coming up, like it's coming up very, very rapidly, as if people are gradually moving out. Let me not believe so for now, but I'll still make some inquiries about it, because honestly Asaba is becoming more expensive, and there are no big jobs or a kind of big work to equate the cost of the living in Asaba. That is the problem. And if people are living, I will not be surprised, because it's very, very difficult, and it's very, very hard to cope with the cost of apartment and other things. So guys, see the street. Honestly, I'll be honest with you, after this reasphalting, the streets beauty come out more and more. So the place is actually nice. So for now, I'm yet to know about the safety of the area, but I can say that most places in Asaba are quite secure. Not that is extremely secure, but just normal secure, like you can feel relaxed and do your normal thing during the day and during the night. So that's just it. So watch through the video, tell us what you feel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you're a newcomer, thank you for coming across our channel. Subscribe, click on the like button, and click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish any of your interesting videos. And for our old OGs, thank you for always coming back to support us. It's not an easy thing. Thank you guys for watching, and kindly watch throughout the video, so you will see to the end of the video, and also see the Okpanam road, where the road will be linking us to. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye.